die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick little comparison between the new Drakkar Intense and the classic Drakkar Noir. But before I talk about that, I'm just going to read you a little bit of writing from The Art of Peace by Morihei Ueshiba. Now, I've probably butchered that with my disgusting drunken pirate talk of an accent. So if I've gotten that wrong, correct me in the comments. I'm sure somebody out there will be able to correct me. Contemplate the workings of this world. Listen to the words of the wise, and take all that is good as your own. With this as your base, open your own door to truth. Do not overlook the truth that is right before you. Beautiful writings from The Art of Peace. So you've probably seen some buzz online about the new Drakkar fragrance, Drakkar Intense. And if you're anything like me, you've got good experiences with the classic Drakkar Noir. This is the 1980s in a nutshell, the epitome of 1980s men's perfumery. It smells incredible, it's aromatic, a touch earthy, it's fresh. Wear it going out, wear it after you shower. It's a very versatile scent, and it's actually pretty good in terms of performance. Drakkar Intense, on the other hand, I can't actually open this packaging from the top like without wrecking the box. You could dig your fingernails in there. So I will be opening it from the bottom. Bottles are identical except for one is black and the other is see-through, which I prefer because you can actually tell how much fragrance you've used. With the classic Drakkar Noir, you've kind of got to give it a bit of a shake to get a good idea of what you've got, but it'll never be 100% accurate. Alright, Drakkar Noir going on the left hand. Oh, love the way that smells. Easily the most nostalgic fragrance of mine. And Drakkar Intense on the right hand. What I like about Drakkar Intense is that the core components of the original are still present. You still get that aromatic quality, the earthiness, a touch of the freshness, but it smells as though somebody has designed Drakkar Noir for, take these off, bloody hell. It smells as though somebody has tried to redesign Drakkar Noir for the year 2022. So you get some amber, and I get a very powdery quality to this one as well. It actually reminds me of Calvin Klein Obsession for men and for women. It reminds me of both of those, except it really dials down the cinnamon of those two fragrances. It still has like that touch of earthiness. It's still a little aromatic. It's got a sweetness and like an amber sort of density to it. It's a very nice fragrance. Is Drakkar Intense going to be as iconic as the classic one though? Only time will tell. It'll be interesting to see if in 20 or 30 years time, the younger generation right now look back at Drakkar Intense with the same sort of affection and appreciation as, you know, the generation before mine look at Drakkar Noir. As it stands though, I do believe it is worth owning both of them. They both smell very nice. I will always have a soft spot for Drakkar Noir though. If you can pick up Drakkar Intense for less than $60 Australian, I do recommend it. I actually got Drakkar Intense from Chemist Warehouse for $49.99, down from $60, so it's about a $10 saving. At that price, it's worth checking out, especially if you love 1980s fragrances or the original Drakkar Noir. If you've ever worn Drakkar Intense before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.